In today's video, I have a project share. I upcycled some doll purses with these folk art paints for plastic, and they worked great. So the first purse I actually got thrifting a while back, and it is pink, and I wanted to change it into this espresso brown color. So I already started on one side, and we're going to go ahead and paint the other side. As you can see, these paints go on really good and they work great on this plastic. I also wanted to paint this one, and I decided to use pink lemonade, and this was originally orange, and I decided to go with pink, and I'm going to keep the handle orange because we're going to do something different later. I also wanted to upcycle this one with the olive black, and this black coverage is amazing. It goes on so good, as you can see here, and it's made for plastic, so it works perfectly on these type of plastic purses. Now I'm going to go in with some gold on these purses, and this is also by Folkart. And we're just going to add some details to give it more of a realistic look. I also was working on a birdhouse, as you can see in the background, and I'll share that in a separate video. As you can see, I'm taking that gold and I'm just going to paint the handle on this one in the latch just to make it look more realistic. I'm also going to be adding some details on the brown purse, but as you can see, it's really pretty and it's coming together. I took a dotting tool and I'm just going to dot on some gold, and I'm going to do it all around the edge as well. And here are the finished purses with the gold, and I think they made them look so much better, and that paint works great. I also wanted to add a little bit of color on one of these, so I'm going to use this blueberry freeze to just go in and add some details on this black purse, maybe the drawstrings, and we'll also use some gold. And here's what it looks like. These paints are so good, guys. I'm going to leave my discount code here on the screen and below. Definitely go check them out. plaidonline.com. They have so many different paints. You can also find these in Walmart and different craft stores, but I definitely approve of these for our plastic projects. You can even upcycle so many things with these. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon with another video.